Hi everyone, this is Belle from Our Joyful Pathways. October is a highly energized month, a very powerful prelude to what's coming in 2026, the year of the fire horse. This is the time when old patterns burn away and new opportunities rise through courage, clarity, and flow. Recently, I experienced this energy firsthand. Couple weeks ago, two of my bathrooms suffered major water damage. The repair cost about thousands of dollars, and honestly, I felt really heavy. I could sense energy blocks around money and its receiving. So instead of fighting the situation, I turned inwards. I practiced deep breathing just before my manifestation to release my tension and fear. That was consecutively for about 3 nights. I listened to manifestation music, letting my vibration rise and align with the frequency of money. I also visualized the money flow with gratitude and ease. Just yesterday, something magical happened. The contractor texted me and said he made an error in his code and decided to absorb it. That was about $1,000 at least in savings, in the most unexpected and surprising way, but completely aligned to the intention of my manifestation. That experience reminded me, when we shift our energy, money flows naturally back to us, often in ways we don't expect. So I created this track to help you experience the same flow. You can dance to it, meditate to it, or simply let the rhythm of this music move through you. It's designed to help you release money blocks, raise your vibration, and align with abundance easily, joyfully, and powerfully. So let's open the flow together to Money Moves Where My Energy Goes.
Money moves where my energy goes. It follows my joy, it freely flows. I open my hands, I open my heart. Abundance and I will never part. I am money, I am flow. Infinite blessings help me grow. Expected, unexpected too. Money flows in all I do. I spend with ease, I give with grace. Money returns in every space. I trust the current, I let it be. Wealth is the rhythm inside of me. Oh, oh, I am money, I am flow. Infinite blessings help me grow. Expected, unexpected too. Money flows in all I do. Every dollar carries light, guided by love, shining bright. I am worthy, I am free. Prosperity lives inside of me. No more fear, no lack to chase. I walk in trust, I walk in faith. The power to spend, to